So before we can clean these knobs, we have to remove them, and for that I use a trim removal tool, and you just slot it carefully underneath, and there are 3 tabs which you have to release, and then out it comes. And now we can go ahead and try and clean them. Right, we've got the 3 knobs off now, and all we're going to use to clean these up are some methylated spirits. You can use other similar items, and some hot soapy water. Before I carry on, I've just got to apologise for the buzzing noise in here. It's the starter motor on one of the fluorescents. So if I show you this particular knob here, this is really bad, and you can see the stickiness. It's absolutely awful, and they're a pain to use. And I find on quite a few of the Land Rover products it's a similar story. I had a Freelander, and after about 7 years those knobs started to go sticky as well. So I think it's just the grease and muckiness off your fingers, I guess. Anyway, first of all we will use some methylated spirits. And let's see if this works. I was trying to find some replacement knobs, but you don't really need to do that on this road, obviously. You just need to find a cleaner. And you can see all the blackness that's coming off on there. So now we'll just give it a quick clean in some soapy water. Okay, that's all 3 knobs now cleaned, and they're not sticky at all anymore. So we'll go and put them back onto the car. In order to fit the knobs, you have to line up. It's not easy to see. There are 3 recesses here, and they're not equidistant, so you need to line them up with, if it focuses, you need to line them up with the tangs in here. So let's see. And that's the last one clicked into place. So now we have some nice non-sticky knobs. And that looks and feels a whole lot better. One thing I have got to do is replace this with a new one. And also there's a dark glass insert here that needs to be fitted. So that's one method of cleaning your sticky knobs. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.